of you might say this is a Chinese bike. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Prashur Manajan. You are watching Automania. ये देख के आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया है कि कौन सा बाइक रिव्यू होने वाला है आज। और आज साथ में मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ, साथ में बहुत सारे ग्रुप है मेरे दुर्गापुर थ्रॉटलर्स का टीम है साथ में। तो आगे इस वीडियो में होने वाला है बहुत मज़ा, हम लोग करने वाले ढेर सारे फन राइड होने वाले हैं रास्ते में, और इस बाइक को लेकर करेंगे हम लोग राइड रिव्यू। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द सिनेमैटिक्स फर्स्ट। और हाँ, अगर वीडियो को अच्छा लगे लाइक कमेंट शेयर जरूर करना एंड सब्सक्राइब टू ऑटोमेनिया। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द सिनेमैटिक्स फर्स्ट। Many of you might say this is a Chinese bike, but no, you're absolutely wrong. This bike, when this bike started the development process, it was started around about in 2006, and that time it was very much owned by the Italian beauties. And later on, the bike was completed by the Italian engineers, but well, the ownership did carry over to the Chinese firm. But this bike is nowhere Chinese, guys. The build quality is awesome. The bike feels nice, feels solid. Moreover, the engine is robust, because the engine is derived from the likes of the R6. Yes, that 2005 R6, that raw mad bike, that the same engine which is used in the Benelli 600i. Well, it's a detuned version. And these are my buddies. ये लोग मेरा दोस्त है, मेरा ग्रुप है दुर्गापुर थ्रॉटलर्स. So big shout out to Durgapur Throttlers. Hip hip. So this is my group. So आज इन लोगों के सपोर्ट के लिए मैं ये चैनल कर पाया. For all the love, for all the support, a big shout out to Durgapur Throttlers. And carrying forward with the video, what about the exhaust note? चलिए सुनना है ना वो. Let's get started with the exhaust note. Well, this is stock exhaust from Benelli 600i. कौन कहेगा कि stock exhaust है? इसका IXL नहीं है. I would recommend the owner of the bike to get IXL exhaust, and let's hear the stock exhaust first. Well, कैसा लगा stock exhaust का review? Let me know in the comment section down below. And सन्नाटा एकदम शांति हो गया भाई. I love the sound. Let me know in the comment section down below. How did you like the exhaust note of the Benelli 600i? Guys, starting with the specs and everything, this bike is delivering a power of around 80 horsepower at 11,500 RPM. Talking about the max torque, it is 52.3 Nm at 10,500 RPM. Well, if you are sound enough with the engineering part, then you can well understand that the power is given high up in the rev range, which is after 10,000 RPM. So बात ये आ जाता है कि हम लोग 10,000 RPM पे कैसे चलाएं रोड पे. But this bike is giving a very usable power in the lower end. It's not mad, it is not maniac like the likes of Daytonas and the ZX6R. Those are mad bikes. From around 5,000 RPM you will get a huge power. But this bike is not having that. Well, that helps you as a beginner or as a newbie to a super bike world to ride a bike in a controlled manner. But if you want to push the bike that hard and take the bike to a highway or on a racetrack, guys, don't worry, just push the bike above 8,000 RPM and you have a mad beast in front of you.
Hello guys, we are out on the ride review of the Benelli 600i. Well, initial feeling, it's very heavy. Yes, it is my friends. 231 kg of curb weight, जो कि हल्का नहीं होता भाई, बहुत भारी है. एंड साउंड के बारे में क्या कहना, कुछ साउंड तो मतलब द बेस्ट इन क्लास. पावर डिलीवरी, I think it's a bit on the linear side in the lower RPMs. Stock exhaust है. देखते हैं। The power is kicking very late in the rev range, around आपको आफ्टर 7000 RPM I'm getting that power। वो पावर जो आया इस बाइक पे 7000 के बाद आया है। एंड साउंड तो बहुत ही अच्छा है। आई थिंक जो मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी जो पावर थोड़ा ज़्यादा देना चाहिए थी ना लोअर आरपीएम्स, ओके, क्योंकि लोअर आरपीएम में थोड़ा मुझे लग रहा है कि इट इज लैकिंग दैट पंच। बाय द वे दिस इंजन इज जेनरेटेड फ्रॉम दैट 2005 R1 engine, R6 engine, which is a great bike, and it has been detuned with around 80 horsepower and around 54 Nm of max torque. Well, the problem with this bike is I feel company should have done something to reduce the weight of the engine. The engine is damn heavy guys. So that's the only thing. Otherwise this bike जिसका ये bike है, he is a learner, he is a beginner, and even he can control the power because his bike is controllable. Power उतना mad नहीं है in the lower RPMs, but in the higher RPMs it is ballistic. And if you fit with the axial exhaust, it will become beautiful. Coming to the suspension, the front suspension is around 50 mm upside down forks, which gives quite a bit of good feeling. The rear suspension is monoshock and adjustable, so you can adjust it to your liking. Our tires are 120 section up front and 180 section. The Angel GTs at the rears. I think the Angel STs at the rear. Pipe really, so there is no question of problem of any grip. Yes, यहाँ पे lagging. अभी हाँ, after 8000 I got the power. So बाइक तो बढ़िया है। अगर मैं बात करूँ the way this bike is competitors है, ये बाइक को लॉन्च किया गया था with to fight against the likes of the ER6 and the 650 offerings from Ninja. The Harley Davidson भी इस कैटेगरी में आता है 750cc। so बहुत सारा कॉम्पिटिटर्स था इसमें 600cc में, लेकिन उस टाइम देयर वाज नो R6, R6 तो कभी इंडिया में था ही नहीं, लेकिन देयर वाज नो ZX6 इन मार्केट। Later on, there was only one competitor, which was the Daytona 675R, and that was very costly. And अगर कोई और बाइक की बात करूँ मैं, कोई और बाइक का बात करूँ, उस टाइम देयर वर अदर बाइक्स सच एज द ट्रैम स्ट्रीट ट्रिपल जो कि अराउंड 9 लाख था, 3 लाख कॉस्टलियर इस बाइक से 2 to 3 lakhs. So that does come with its advantage, and ये बाइक तो the cheapest inline 4 in India by that time, so which is a very good add-on I'd say. क्योंकि अगर आपको inline 4 में स्टार्ट करना है तो it's a very good thing. Coming to the engine heat, I'm getting little bit heat, ज़्यादा नहीं है, लेकिन लोग बोलते हैं कि गाड़ी बहुत भारी है, कि मैं अभी चला रहा हूँ तो मुझे उतना वेट फील नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि आई थिंक आई एम एक्सपीरियंस्ड इन राइडिंग दिस बाइक्स, बट स्टिल जब चलाते हो तो आप फील नहीं करने वाले हो। रेव बम ये तो है रेव बम। The brakes are nice. ब्रेक्स काफ़ी अच्छे हैं बिकॉज दिस आर 320 mm up front dual disc and 240 mm at the rear. But the power is not scary, that's what I'm trying to say. Means in the lower end the power थोड़ा कम है, लेकिन if you are a beginner and trying to enter the super bike category, this bike won't scare you out. You know, अगर आप लोअर आरपीएम में चला रहे हो, अगर आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो ठीक ठाक, तो it won't be a problem at all. You can easily handle the power, and the power is available at very high up the rev range, which is the max power of 80 bhp, 80 ps, around that power band. And if you are going for a bike, if you're going for the torque will be around 52 Nm at 10,500 RPM. Well, that is also reasonable, but it is on a very high up in the rev range. I wish this bike had this exhaust. तो मैं ये गाड़ी को सिटी के अंदर ले रहा हूँ इस ऐसे रोड्स पे, क्योंकि इस रोड्स पे ये सब गाड़ी चलेगा और ये गाड़ी बहुत अच्छा टूरर है। इस गाड़ी पे आप लॉन्ग राइड भी बहुत अच्छे से मार सकते हो। देयर इज आल्सो अ GT version of the same bike, and that bike will be around I think 50 to 80,000 more than this variant. Okay, और अगर आप मार्केट में ठीक से देखोगे, if you are going for a used bike, आपको बहुत अच्छा डील्स मिल जाएगा ऐसे बाइक्स पे। Make sure the bike is properly serviced. I'll make a video on how to get a used super bike or a used bike. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are interested on such videos. So अगर आपको बहुत अच्छा डील मिल जाए इस बाइक पे around 3.5 और around 4 lakhs, around 17-18 bike, so that's a great deal. So यहाँ पे ABS है, this is switchable ABS. Okay, this ABS can be turned off or turned on as per your wish. It's nice to see reactions over here. Head turners, yes. You get nice reaction with this inline force in India. Now let's see the first gear acceleration. I've done already once, but still. Okay. Around 80. Around 80. Quite decent. Yeah, the power is not out of the roof and mad, but if you are a beginner and newbie, you would quite like this bike. So kudos to Benelli. They have been master in the exhaust sounds department. Look, starting from 300cc offerings to this bike, they provide some great soundtracks. So guys, let me know in the comment section down below how did you like the ride review of the Benelli 600i. And here goes our hero. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो, कमेंट करो और सब्सक्राइब करो to Automania. So that's it for ride review. I'll see you in the next segment. By the way, we're all going for a ride today after this Sunday. So my group is here, my team is here. हेलो मेरे जिगर के टुकड़ों।
Well, coming to the price, this bike is the cheapest inline 4 offering in India. And well, with the upcoming update, I'm very sure that will also be the cheapest offering an inline 4 segment. And coming to the pros and cons, this bike, by the way, we have a video bumper over here. Coming to the pros and cons of the bike, this bike is very heavy with 231 kg of curb weight. The engine heat is massive. In stop-go traffic, you will feel the burn in your legs. Forget riding this bike in your shorts. Next is the pillion seat. Well, it's way too small to carry anyone. You can only fit a 0-figure model or a fitness freak in your back seat. And let's talk about the overall bike. Should you go for the bike? I feel yes, because if you're a beginner in a super bike category and if you want to start with inline 4, so nothing best than this bike, because you'll get a very good used condition bike of around 2-3 year bike in a very reasonable price. So if you know any bike which is on sale currently 600i, let me know in the comment section down below. I would definitely go and check that bike for me and also for some of my friends, because they want to buy this bike. So that's it for the video. It's time to wrap up. Let me know in the comment section down below, how did you like the ride review of the Benelli 600i? Was it maniac? Is it mad enough? And should you go for the bike? And if you have this bike and if you have ridden this bike, let me know about your experience. I would be happy to respond to your questions. So as I always say, wear your helmets while riding, wear your seat belts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prashur Banerjee. You're watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da!